Dell Pro Micro. Category 1.0 DA. Offer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 7.17 inches. Width, 1.41 inches. And depth, 7 inches. On the front of the system, we have the power button, universal audio jack, one USB 3.2 Gen 1, and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C. On the back is the power connector, one DisplayPort 1.4, one HDMI 2.1, two USB 3.2 Gen 1, two USB 2.0, one USB Type-C, and one RJ45 Ethernet port. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. To open the system, loosen the thumb screw at the back, slide the top cover forward, and lift it up. To remove the system fan, first disconnect the power to the fan, then squeeze the blue tabs on the fan assembly and lift it out. The system comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 8500GE. This can be upgraded to an AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 8700GE. It has 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 4800 MHz. It can be upgraded to 64 gigs or downgraded to 16. For internal storage, there's a 512 gig M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to 1 TB or downgraded to 256. It has integrated AMD Radeon 740M graphics and an internal speaker connected to a Realtek ALC 3204 audio controller. Expansion slots. There is one M.2 slot for a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card, and two M.2 for SSD. It has an AMD Pro 665 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Power is supplied by a 90-watt AC adapter.